Welcome to Sonora, a land of remarkable contrasts where the searing heat of the desert meets the cool waters of the Gulf of California. This northwestern Mexican state, with ancient stories etched into its rocks, captivates those drawn to raw natural beauty. From iconic saguaro cacti to hidden oases teeming with life, Sonora showcases the resilience and diversity of our planet. Join us as we venture into the heart of this Mexican state to uncover its secrets and wonders. In the Sonoran Desert, one of North America's largest and hottest deserts, survival is a delicate dance with the elements. This vast expanse of arid land stretches across two countries, covering parts of the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. The sun beats down on a landscape painted in hues of ochre and gold, yet life finds a way. Despite the harsh conditions, the desert is teeming with resilient flora and fauna, each uniquely adapted to thrive in this unforgiving environment. The mighty saguaro cactus, a symbol of the Sonoran Desert, stands tall, storing precious water. These towering giants can grow up to 40 feet high and live for over 150 years, their thick, waxy skin helping to conserve moisture. These giants, some over 2 centuries old, provide shelter and sustenance to a surprising array of creatures. Birds, bats and insects all find refuge within the saguaro's arms, creating a bustling micro-ecosystem. The desert floor teems with hidden activity. Beneath the surface, a network of burrows and tunnels houses a variety of small mammals, insects and reptiles, all playing their part in the desert's intricate web of life. Lizards dart between rocks while the elusive Gila monster hunts for prey. This venomous lizard, one of the few in the world, relies on stealth and patience to capture its next meal. As dusk approaches, the desert awakens. Nocturnal creatures emerge from their daytime hideouts, ready to take advantage of the cooler temperatures. The air cools, and the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. The setting sun casts long shadows, and the horizon glows with shades of pink, orange, and purple. Coyotes howl in the distance, and the night sky explodes in a dazzling display of stars. The desert, often perceived as barren, reveals its true beauty under the cover of darkness. Within its heart lies the Pinacate Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This protected area is a sanctuary for diverse wildlife and a testament to the desert's ecological significance. Volcanic craters scar the landscape, remnants of ancient eruptions that shaped this dramatic terrain. These geological features tell a story of a time when the Earth was a molten, volatile place. The Pinacate offers a glimpse into Earth's fiery past, a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. It stands as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our world. We journey westward to the shimmering waters of the Gulf of California, also known as the Sea of Cortez. This body of water, nestled between the Baja California Peninsula and mainland Mexico, is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Here, the desert meets the ocean in a dramatic clash of landscapes. The arid, sun-baked desert sands give way to the cool, azure waves of the sea, creating a stark yet beautiful contrast. The coastline, a tapestry of rugged cliffs, secluded coves and pristine beaches, stretches for over 1,000 miles. Each bend and curve of the shoreline reveals a new, breathtaking vista. Beneath the surface lies a world teeming with life. The waters are a vibrant mosaic of marine biodiversity, with countless species coexisting in a delicate balance. Jacques Cousteau called it the world's aquarium, and for good reason. The sheer variety of marine life here is unparalleled, making it a paradise for divers and marine biologists alike. Schools of brightly coloured fish dart amongst coral reefs, while sea turtles glide through the turquoise depths. The coral reefs themselves are a spectacle, teeming with life and colour. Sea lions bask in the sun on rocky outcrops, their barks echoing across the waves. These playful creatures are a delight to watch as they frolic in the water and lounge on the rocks. Whales migrate to these waters to breed and raise their young. The sight of these majestic giants of the sea is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Humpback whales breaching the surface in a spectacular display of power are a sight to behold. Their acrobatic leaps and tail slaps are a testament to the vitality of this marine environment. The Sea of Cortez is a vital ecosystem, home to a remarkable diversity of marine life. Its health is crucial, not only for the species that inhabit it, but also for the broader environmental balance. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, every creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this underwater world. The interconnectedness of life here is a marvel of nature. Let us venture to the islands that dot this rich sea, each a microcosm of life in this unique environment. These islands are sanctuaries, offering a glimpse into the untouched beauty of the natural world. We journey inland to the towering peaks of the Sierra Madre Occidental, a vast mountain range stretching down western Mexico. This majestic range is a natural wonder, offering a dramatic contrast to the arid deserts that surround it. The Sierra Madre Occidental is not just a geographical feature, it is a lifeline for the region, providing water, shelter and sustenance to countless species. Here the air is cool and crisp, a welcome respite from the desert heat. The mornings are often misty, with the fog rolling over the peaks, creating an ethereal landscape that feels almost otherworldly. Pine forests blanket the slopes while waterfalls cascade down sheer rock faces. These forests are a haven for wildlife, offering a rich habitat that supports a diverse array of flora and fauna. The Sierra Madre Occidental is home to a wealth of biodiversity. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, this mountain range is teeming with life. Black bears roam the forests while mountain lions stalk their prey. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. High above, golden eagles soar on thermals, their keen eyes scanning the landscape below. These majestic birds are a symbol of the wild, untamed beauty of the Sierra Madre Occidental. Deep within these mountains lies Copper Canyon, larger and deeper than the Grand Canyon. This natural wonder is a testament to the geological forces that have shaped the Earth over millions of years. Carved over millennia, Copper Canyon is a testament to the power of nature to shape the land. Its cliffs and valleys are a breathtaking sight, especially at sunrise when the light paints the landscape in hues of gold and orange. The mountains are also home to a rich cultural heritage. The people who live here have a deep connection to the land, their traditions and way of life shaped by the rugged terrain. The Tarahumara people, known for their long-distance running abilities, have lived here for centuries. Their endurance and skill are legendary, and they continue to practice their traditional ways of life. Real de Catorce, a ghost town perched high in the mountains, retains a certain magic despite its decline. Once a thriving mining town, it now stands as a silent witness to the past. Its cobbled streets, crumbling churches and breathtaking views continue to draw visitors seeking a glimpse into the past. The town's history is etched into every stone, telling stories of a bygone era. Sonora, a land of diverse landscapes, is a haven for a remarkable array of wildlife. In the arid deserts, creatures have adapted to survive in a world of extremes. The kangaroo rat, with its oversized hind legs and ability to survive without drinking water, is a marvel of evolution. The desert tortoise, a long-lived reptile, symbolizes resilience in a harsh environment. The roadrunner, known for its speed and agility, is a constant presence in the desert. As we move towards the coast, the diversity of life explodes. The Gulf of California is a haven for marine life. Whales, dolphins and sea lions patrol the waters, while countless species of fish thrive amongst the coral reefs. The skies above Sonora are equally alive. Birds of prey such as hawks, eagles and falcons soar on thermals. Flocks of migratory birds pass through Sonora, adding splashes of color and song to the landscape. It is up to us to protect and preserve the incredible biodiversity of Sonora for generations to come. The human story in Sonora is deeply intertwined with the land. Ranching, a cornerstone of the Sonoran economy, is more than just a livelihood. It's a way of life passed down through generations. Vast cattle ranches dot the landscape, their cowboys continuing a tradition that stretches back centuries. Agriculture plays a vital role in Sonora's identity. The state is a major producer of wheat, cotton and other crops thanks to innovative irrigation techniques. Agave holds a special place in Sonoran traditions. From this spiky, succulent bacanora, Sonora's fiery and flavorful answer to tequila is born. The production of bacanora is a time-honored tradition, with families passing down their knowledge through generations. The people of Sonora are known for their warmth, hospitality and love of celebration. Fiestas, vibrant expressions of Sonoran culture, bring communities together with music, dance and delicious food. Beyond the bustling cities and sprawling ranches, Sonora offers a glimpse into a slower pace of life. Small towns and villages, each with its own unique character and charm, dot the landscape. Here life moves at a different rhythm. Days begin with the rising sun and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Ecotourism is breathing new life into these communities, offering sustainable ways to share the beauty of Sonora with the world. Visitors can explore the desert on horseback, hike through lush forests, or kayak along the pristine coastline. For those seeking a deeper connection with the past, Sonora offers a wealth of archaeological treasures. Ancient petroglyphs carved into rock faces by indigenous people offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of those who came before. These rock art sites are sacred places imbued with the stories and spirits of Sonora's ancestors. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple, one can't help but feel a sense of peace and wonder. Sonora's diverse landscapes are a testament to the power of its varied climate. From the scorching heat of the Sonoran desert to the cool, temperate mountains, this state experiences a full spectrum of weather patterns. In the lowlands, summers are long and hot, with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun beats down relentlessly and rainfall is scarce, creating a challenging environment for both plants and animals. Yet, even in this arid climate, life finds a way. Plants have adapted to conserve water, while animals have developed ingenious strategies for staying cool. As we ascend into the Sierra Madre Occidental, the climate changes dramatically. The air cools and the vegetation transforms from cacti to towering pine forests. Summers are mild and winters can bring snow to the higher elevations. The mountains provide a refuge for species that cannot survive in the heat of the lowlands. Understanding Sonora's climate is essential for appreciating the resilience of its ecosystems and the adaptations of its inhabitants. As our journey through Sonora draws to a close, we hope you feel a sense of awe and wonder at the diversity and beauty of this extraordinary state. From the sun-drenched deserts to the vibrant coral reefs, from the towering mountains to the charming villages, Sonora offers a tapestry of experiences that will stay with you. We encourage you to explore Sonora for yourself, to discover its hidden gems, and to connect with its warm and welcoming people. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper understanding of the natural world, Sonora has something to offer everyone. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations of our planet's most incredible destinations.